Hi, I'm Laura Hoy for Benzinga, and here's a look at what you can expect from the markets today, Wednesday, November 27th. With several large retail chains planning to begin their Black Friday deals on Thanksgiving, some stores are holding firm and refusing to open on the Thanksgiving holiday. The National Retail Federation estimates that 33 million people will spend money on Thanksgiving, whether it be in stores or online, so those stores that are not opening could miss out on valuable consumer dollars. 2 U.S. bombers flew into China's newly declared airspace on Tuesday without identifying themselves. The U.S. and Japan have been opposed to China's newly declared Air Defense Identification Zone, as it includes disputed islands controlled by Japan, as well as overlapping with Japan's airspace. Early on Wednesday morning, German Chancellor Angela Merkel struck a deal with the Social Democratic Party to form a governing coalition. The agreement will have to jump through one final hoop in which it will be put to a vote where the 470,000 SPD members will either approve or deny the coalition's terms. The Nasdaq rose 23.18 points on Tuesday to close above 4,000 for the first time in 13 years. The index is up 33% on the year, fueled by the Fed's stimulus spending as well as investors' appetite for rapidly expanding companies. China is looking to make its markets more accessible to foreign investors. The Ministry of Commerce is planning to lift restrictions on foreign investment in several sectors, as well as change unifying laws and regulations in order to make investment policy easier to understand. Asian markets were mixed again on Wednesday. The Japanese Nikkei lost 0.42%, and Australia's ASX 200 was down by 0.45%. However, China's Shanghai Composite was up by 0.82%, and the Shenzhen Composite gained 1.12%. Europe's markets started the day on a low note. The UK's FTSE was down by 0.87%, and the Eurozone Stock 600 was down by 0.33%. Italy's MIB lost 0.05%, and France's CAC 40 was down by 0.57%. In commodity markets, energy futures were mixed. Brent futures were up by 0.03%, but WTI futures were down by 0.23%. Gold gained 0.30%, and silver was up by 0.31%. Industrial metals were down across the board, with zinc falling the furthest, down 0.89%. Currency markets were quiet on Wednesday. The euro traded steadily at $1.35, and the pound was up 0.02% against the dollar. The dollar gained 0.35% against the yen and 0.12% against the Australian dollar. On Wednesday's economic calendar, we've got U.S. housing starts, U.S. new home sales, U.S. durable goods orders, and U.S. consumer sentiment. From Europe, we've got British GDP and Spanish retail sales. And that's it for today's Market Primer. I'm Laura Hoy for Benzinga. Good luck on your Wednesday trades and have a happy Thanksgiving.